The next thing that I'm going to show you is how to apply time compression and expansion on an audio file, where you can extend the length or shorten the length but retain the pitch. First thing is to duplicate the track so that we can retain the original, and the internal parameters, if you are using automation or various inserts, can also be duplicated. So I'll just choose the default, everything selected, and I have the track duplicated. Firstly, I'll mute, and now I can mute manually here, or Shift M on the selected track, or I could individually select the segment, Shift click and Command M, then to turn off these segments. So I might do that. So that's out of the way. This is the track that I'm going to work on. Okay, go under Audio Suite, then choose Other, and we should see Time Compression Expansion. So this will allow us to stretch out the audio or compress the audio in terms of time and retain the pitch. Now down here, the accuracy depends on the sound source. We're dealing with speech, so it's neither rhythmic or sound design, but we're leaning more towards sound. Okay, so this will adjust the algorithm as part of this application, this plugin. And the ratio, so if I extend this, this will increase the length or decrease the length. So let me increase it, render this out, let me play it back, undo, Command Z. We can go the other way and reduce the length and speed it up. Render that. So it can undo that, back to the original. So it can be an amazing tool, and you can experiment with the algorithm to see if there's a better tone for your stretching, either stretch or compress. So it may make a big difference in changing the algorithm. The further you extend it, the more likely you are to have some kind of digital artifact. So you can hear some metallic kind of sound, because I did stretch that out quite a way, so we expect that kind of distorted tone. Yeah, so that's an incredibly powerful and useful tool, not just for dialogue, but any kind of sound effect you might have. Yeah, so we could play around with this, and yeah, again, let your imagination run wild. The important thing is here we first have made a very nice clean edit to the original, nice clean start, nice clean end. Then we can do these various treatments, these processing, and have a very nice clean result.